continues to evolve its iconic Air Max Plus with a bold yet functional black reflective colorway set for fall 2025. Reflective 3M accents on the eyestays, heel piping, and mudguard trim enhance visibility, offering a practical edge for low-light environments. Echoing the vibe of the upcoming Air Max 90 Black Reflective, this edition sticks to a sleek, all-black theme with mesh uppers and synthetic overlays. A clean white swoosh adds a sharp contrast to the stealthy base, while the black mudguard, midsole, and outsole maintain the tonal aesthetic. Comfort isn't compromised either. Tuned air units underfoot ensure responsive cushioning, and classic DN branding at the heel and shank nods to the silhouette's heritage. With its minimal look and performance-driven details, the black reflective Air Max Plus speaks to both utility and style. Expect this versatile sneaker to release on Nike.com and at select retailers as part of the Fall 2025 collection.